couple of issues to sort out with the A2 today. The window washers have lost the will to live, and there's an annoying rattle in the driver's door, and it's been annoying me for weeks. Plenty of water there. That one seems blocked. So I'll take these out and clean them. So I'll try and stick a sharp pin in there and see if there's any obstructions. So this pipe here seemed very loose and it's just slipping in and out of there very easily. So I'm going to tape it up with a bit insulation tape, see if that will seal it. Might just be a temporary measure just to see if it sorts it. Okay, we'll give that a go. Seems to have sorted it. This one's a bit low. There, that's that sorted. It was just block jets, but this one, it's not very good. Got a very good spread in it, so I'll probably try and get either a second-hand one or a new one. That was the trickiest part of the whole job. There we go, sorted. Now, I might be becoming a bit of an A2 bore, but there's one thing I love about this car, and that's the actual wiper. And I can't believe how it clears about 3/4 of the windscreen. Now, I don't know if Audi came up with this first, but you could all, if anybody knows, please leave a comment in the comment section below. But it's actually very satisfying to use, and I can't wait until there's some rain. Now to get the door trim off, a Torx screwdriver and an angled screwdriver. So I need to get this speaker grill off. Need a better screwdriver. Quite tight actually. Just well put together. There's the culprit there, spotted already. Some loose screws. So I'll get those tightened. So we'll get that tightened. Damn it, somebody's obviously had this off before, and the screws are either threaded in there or there's a captive nut in the back that's not catching, so I'm going to have to take that off and have a look. Somebody's obviously been into this before, and they've just put sellotape around the screws to hold the motor in place. Now, I'm not going to put any more tape around that, but what I'm going to do is I've got these screws that I use for fixing signs, and they're tech screws, and they'll just screw straight into the plastic mount. Now, we've got to be careful not to push this part right into the door at the same time. Which is what I've just done. I'm going to have to take this off to get to hold this in on the back. Could do with another pair of hands. On a leg. There you go, lovely and tight. I've done a bit of window tinting in my time, and the quality in here is just superb. It's way above anything else. It's way above Ford, Vauxhall, any of those makes. You know, I'm quite impressed with all this. It's just a shame that the screws had been put in too tight and they just ripped away from the plastic locator on the inside. But these ones here have been successful and managed to screw it tightly. So I can get it all back together and try it down the road and see if the squeak has been sorted.
Just last week, we're asking whether there is a bad smell where you are. Obviously, you know, limited to probably landfill and things like that. But you know, talking about the room.
That's it, nice and quiet again. I wished I'd done it weeks ago. But that's those two little jobs ticked off. And the next job is a biggie. It's the open sky. And I believe it's quite a fiddly job to do. There's a German video out there which is quite good. So I'm going to do my own English version. So as usual, if you like the video, please subscribe. Come back very soon.